Today we'll be learning in this session how to download and install Java. Java is a very important subject. It is a language which is used in many places. So if we know how to install Java, how to run Java, then it will be very helpful in our career. So let's begin. This is the link from where we can download Java. This link you can find in the session tutorial also. It is given. So you can just paste it and you'll see that the different versions of Java are available. These are the latest version as per today. So you can see the versions for Linux operating system, Java versions for Mac operating system, as well as Java version for Windows operating system. Since we are interested in Windows, so we'll click Windows and then click download. As soon as we click download, this will start to download this zip file, and that is for running and developing Java programs. So this is where we start our download. So it is 179 MB as it is showing, and the 13 seconds left. Once it is downloaded, it will go into the downloads folder of your computer. So let us see, it is almost complete. Now we have downloaded the Java software, Java Development Kit, as it is called, JDK. And now we'll see the, let's come to the downloads folder. See, in the downloads folder, this is available. In the PC downloads folder, you can see this. And wherever you want to install, you can copy this. Let's copy this into the D folder here. I'll create a folder. I'm creating this folder just to keep this so that we can use later, or so whenever it is required in some other machine, it will not require to download again. So from the downloads folder, I copied it into Java software. Now I'll just click it to open and install. Click on extract. Okay. This is extracting the Java. As when we download, it is in a compressed form, and it is in .rar or zip file. Now it has been completely extracted. So it is extracted in the same folder, and this is the folder where this software has been extracted. So we can keep it here also, or you can just copy this and keep it anywhere where you want this program. So I'm keeping it on D drive. So on D drive, I'm copying it, and it will take few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of the computer to copy from the place where it was extracted to a folder where we want to keep. And this version which we have downloaded is JDK 19.0.1. So this is the latest version as of today. So in case you use this after some time, some new version may come. But if you download this also, it is suitable for executing Java programs and Java. You can also develop Java apps using the same software that we have just now downloaded. So once it is copied, we'll first check whether we can run or not. So it is completely copied here, and now I can open and see all these folders are available in the bin. These are the programs which are required, so it is all available. Now we run Java program from the command line. So what I'll do, I'll open the command line, I'll type cmd and open the command prompt. So once the command prompt is open, then from there I can check whether it is the environment is set or not. We have just now downloaded and extracted the software, but we have to see whether it is ready to run the Java programs or not. For that, we have to go to the command prompt. So we have opened the command prompt and let us type Java C. So when I type Java C, I can see that it is saying that it is not recognized as a internal or external command because we have not set the environment. So now what we have to do, we have to set the environment. This is the bin folder. This is the path which needs to be set. So I'll copy this and I'll go to the my computer. This is my computer, and here I'll go to the properties. What we are learning how to set the Java software environment so that it can be able to execute our Java programs. Right now, it is not able to execute the Java program, so we have to do it here. We have to come and set the system variable. So I click the advanced system settings, and here you can see the environment variables which are required to set the Java environment. So I clicked here, and then uh, these are the variables which needs to be set. The path, this path needs to be set, and then here also we have a path. So what we have to do, click this path, this is the system variable. We have to click this and go to edit button. In the edit button, these are the environment variables which are set. We'll click on edit, and we can add one more here. So here I have pasted the path. From where did I get the path? I get the path from this folder where we have just now installed. This is the folder where we have installed the Java development kit. So I copied it and then I went to the path, and here system settings, and here I've done, and I now click OK. I'll come to the command prompt again just to see whether it is properly set or not. So I'll open command prompt again. Here I'll write Java C. Now see, it is not giving the error as it gave in the first first time when we opened this Java C, but here it is giving some messages. So now the environment is also set. So what are the different things that we have to do? First of all, we have to download, then we have to extract, then we have to keep it in a particular folder where we want, and then we have to set the system settings. Now, once this is all done, we can run Java programs and develop our projects or whatever we want to do with Java. So now I'll show you how to execute a Java program. So the best practice is to create one folder. So what I'll do, I'll come back to root and I'll make Java CD. I'll keep all my programs here. So now I'll use or any editor you can use. There are many editors. Example one Java. This is how we start writing Java programs. This is just to see whether the program is properly run or not. I'll explain this program in detail later on. This is just to see whether the programs are running. So I've quickly written one program. I'll save it, and now I'll check whether this program is or not, so that we can be sure that our Java environment is totally set. Oh, okay, there's a spelling mistake. That means it is giving a spelling mistake and all. It means the environment is set. The program again, and then I'll give the same command. This time it has ID properly. It is giving the message hello world. That means our environment is set, and now we are ready to run Java programs from our machine. So what are the different steps? First, we have to download the zip file, the Java Development Kit programs, softwares. Then we have to extract it. Then we have to keep it in a folder where we want to keep the Java program. And then we can uh, set the environment and run the program. So I'll explain everything. We downloaded this software. This went to the downloads folder. From the downloads folder, what we did, from the download folder, we copied the Java software here. Then we extracted it. After extraction, this is the thing that we require. So I copied it and pasted it here. This now to set the environment, what we have to do, we have to copy this path and paste it in the Java in the system environment file. So how do we do this? We copy this, we went to the properties. In the properties, there is advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, when we go to the advanced system setting, then we have environment variables. There's the path, to edit, and here click new and paste this. This will never paste. And then click OK and come back. This is how we install Java program on a machine where we want to run. So this was the installation of Java. Thank you very much.